This pogo hop variation is just going to add some rotation of your pelvis, which is going to load your feet at different angles a little bit, also require a little bit more of intensity for your feet, which is great. And that rotation is going to be good for your rib cage and pelvis as well. So you're going to do this just like a regular pogo hop where it's mostly ankles and feet. We're trying to come off the ground fast. We are trying to keep the knees more straight, not bend the knees a lot. This should be really an ankle and foot drill. And then as we're doing it, we're just going to think about our belt buckle rotating from side to side with every hop. If it's too challenging, you can always use a TRX or a strap right overhead to give you a little bit of support, but here is what the drill is going to look like. We're just going to rotate as we're coming up. We want to make sure that we are not traveling all over the place and moving. You should be pretty stationary. If you find that you are, you just might not have the power to do this drill. So grab a TRX or a band and try it that way. Or we might need to regress into something different. This is definitely not like a super intro plyometric drill. So that's the first thing. You should feel like your calves and feet are fatigued, but there should be no pain. So we want to make sure that we're doing this at the prescribed amount of reps first, because it does take our bodies some time to adapt to these types of movements. Depending on what your training history has looked like, this could be a pretty big spike in load. So make sure you proceed slowly. You can always add intensity and add reps later. So just do what is prescribed. Make sure you monitor how you feel. You should just have the normal DOMs after. And over time, you should feel like they become easier. Your feet feel a lot more stronger and more powerful, and you should have a lot less difficulty with jumping and running and things of that nature.